Hi everyone, I'm working on these decorative trays. I made these with glass cutting boards from Dollar Tree. I painted the smooth side on the back and I added some acrylic gems on the top and some pearls. So it looked really neat. And it's got some marble feet. And I'm going to finish the silver one. I used some looking glass spray on the back and it had this really beautiful effect. It turned out great. So I'm going to finish those gems there. So I put one gem flat side down. And then the other gems are on the sides like that. And I put the glue kind of on the sides so they'll stick better, hopefully. And it's important to lay these out so that you know if you have enough. Sometimes they don't fit. So that turned out really neat. And then on the back, see, I've painted the back and I put Mod Podge on the back as well. And then these are the feet. There's some clear marbles. I kind of measure using this square I made. I drew out some lines so I can try and get accurate measurements here. Okay, so yes, there's a lot of glue strings that get in the way and it takes forever to get those off. Here's the last one. Okay. E6000 does work better, but I know glue is quicker. The glue gun is quicker. Okay, and then the other thing I had was some of this bling wrap I cut in pieces, and I put that on the sides. That's my last part for this. So I add some glue here. And you have to work so fast with this stuff. It dries really quick. And it burns really hot too. So to be careful when working with this. It always makes me nervous. And I need to trim off the excess there, and I'm all done. And it turned out really neat. So okay, there it is. And it turned out really neat. So here's how it looks. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.